Guevara receives on the left side. Gets the bump. Finishes the pass. Grazing iron. Tumatakbo dito ang BWU and that's pat ang lamang dito ng Supremos General. Step through and the score. 4 is the count. Joey Umaga finds himself wide open from the as well. This guy takes some shots from the outside. Castorico makes it to Garcia, bagong pasok sa laro, titira agad. Laban will take it to the defense. A promise in their past few. Jacob Damanan takes out a couple of defense. Guevara given space. And
The second quarter.
Kanina, dikit na dikit lang naman yung laro natin, no? Palitan lang ng kalamangan.
Take care of the basketball.
Nico Laban, there's the screen set by 3-point shots, but not really his cup of tea. Onyegiri on the offensive rebound. Approaching the halfway point of quarter number 3. Nice two-man game between Joey Umaga. Santelices trying to play coy with the defense. This time he goes inside. Quarter after allowing MCU to score 27 points at nakawala sa ilan.
By Baluyon. Nakita niya nakaikot yung ulo ng tao niya. Backdoor quickly.
Ngayon, tignan muna natin. Meron pa kayang tulog ang MCU dito sa PWU. But if back from Jacob Danganan has to be at least 18 like Coach Mark mentioned. Lennon playing ping pong with Nico Laban. 71-56. Oh, Onyegiri will put it down.
You have the pieces. Danganan, Laban, Umaga, Medwin Antonio. Right?
Yeah, this is not
Today.
You're right. That gets him into double figures. 3-on-1 break. This should be easy. Behind the back. Santelices to rim.